Though Evodius remains unconvinced that wisdom is universal like number, he agrees with Augustine that wise people are out there and that every human desires to be happy. Augustine argues that this is a simple truth, common to them both, that each discerns with their own mind. Augustine goes on to enumerate other simple and public truths. This list is not exhaustive. 1. Wisdom ought to be rigorously sought. 2. The just life should be lived. 3. Superior things ought to subject inferior things. 4. Compare like to like. 5. Each should be given their due. 6. Eternal is better than temporal. 7. Uncorrupted is better than the corrupted. And 8. The invulnerable is better than the vulnerable. These rules, or lights of the virtues, as Augustine calls them, are unchangeable and available to all rational people. Augustine wants to know now if these truths are part of wisdom. Remember earlier we said that justice, prudence, temperance, fortitude were the virtues of a good will that loves reason, and that someone who chooses reason over inordinate desire is wise. A wise person with these virtues makes use of these simple rules to maintain their wisdom. We cannot be just if we don't know how to order the inferior to the superior. And we cannot have fortitude unless we understand the rule that the invulnerable is better than the vulnerable. All of these enumerated rules or simple truths can be connected to a virtue that inheres in the goodwill of the wise person. Augustine concludes that these truths held in common must be part of wisdom, for they help make us wise and maintain our wisdom. If Evodius concedes all this, then he will have to say that these public rules are unchangeable, just like mathematical rules, and since the rules of wisdom cannot be distinguished from wisdom, then wisdom must be unchangeable and universal as well. Whew. We are getting very close to Augustine's proof for God. I will hold off on an evaluation of it until its completion. If we wanted to get ticky-tacky, maybe you could critique the universality of some of the simple truths Augustine offers up. Getting lost in the minutiae is beyond my present aims at the moment, though I may return to it.